people, the Federal Reserve has very little reason to cut interest rates today. The Federal Reserve is widely expected to leave interest rates unchanged, and no one anticipates this. So many traders are wondering, where's the opportunity? Where's the trade? Well, we know that rate change itself will not happen, but the votes, whether there's one or two FOMC members that vote in favor of an interest rate cut, could have a very dramatic effect on the dollar. If all of them vote to leave interest rates unchanged, we're going to expect a US dollar rally. If one votes in favor of a rate cut, maybe a little bit of a pullback followed by a recovery depending upon what Powell says. If two, which would be the first time we have two dissenters since 1963 vote in favor of an interest rate cut, then we could see a significant pullback in the dollar. Of course, that also hinges on what Fed Chairman Powell says, so we'll be listening to that very closely as well. Aside from the Fed rate decision, it's been already a very busy day in the markets. U.S. data was better than expected. ADP was strong. U.S. GDP, the headline number beat expectations. The price component was kind of mixed. And we also had the headlines regarding tariffs. Trump has said that the August 1st tariff start date will not be extended. He's also slapped 25% tariffs on India, along with some other punitive measures for engaging in military trade with Russia. So all of that is also making the markets nervous and preventing the U.S. stock market from really seeing any meaningful gains ahead of FOMC. But that should be no surprise, since generally we have consolidation ahead of the rate decision. So with good U.S. data this morning, that kind of reinforces the case for no change from the Federal Reserve. The question now is, will an interest rate cut happen in September? And that's going to be decided by the FOMC votes, along with Jerome Powell's tone, which I think is going to be very wishy-washy, because we do have two non-farm payrolls reports before the next Fed meeting in September, along with inflation reports and other data as well. I'll keep you all updated. This is Kathy and Lien with BKTraders. Have a great trading day.